Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is paying very well. Minimum pay is $20 an hour. Top pay, if you have those skills they're looking for, is up to $32 an hour. I always suggest that when you're in negotiations, they've already interviewed you and depict that you are the best person for the job. So please make sure you are always negotiating that salary. They have it in their budget to pay up to $32 an hour. Real quickly, before we dive in, I am just trying to let everyone know in my videos, I'm putting out as many job leads this week as I can, but I will be away next week on vacation with my family. So if you see not many videos from me next week, that is why I have not disappeared from YouTube. I'm just taking a short little break. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the global shipping company DHL. If you've ever ordered anything online, you may have had your products delivered by DHL. They are hiring a customer service representative. This is remote for the United States. But since they are a shipping service, they are basically looking for somebody to answer the customer service lines and provide information in response to customer inquiries about their products and services. So you're going to resolve customer related inquiries, including invoicing rates, international proof of posting, domestic and international tracking. So you're going to help them track their packages, letting them know when to expect them to be delivered. You'll research, do account maintenance via email and inbound and outbound phone calls. You'll also assist sales representatives with requests. You'll act as a liaison between the company and clients regarding postage, balances, mailing schedules, general account status, and because payment and paying for postage comes with the job, you can complete customer adjustments up to $100 on their account. So if you need to refund customer balances or anything like that, you're going to be able to do that with them on the phone as well. Now, best part about this, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 4 years of relevant work experience. Above that, they want somebody who can work with a computer, specifically Microsoft Office, that's Word, Excel, Outlook for your email. Someone who has a great communication skills, can be a critical thinker, and a problem solver. Now again, pay for this position, it starts out anywhere from $20.52 an hour all the way up to $32.83 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.